He barks the same.
Oh, you're a girl, Barb. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ugh!
Kitty, 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 kitty.
It's coming that way now.
Yeah, kitty, 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 kitty.
Can't see it.
Go to show stance.
Oh, this mosquito. They both look that way.
Alright, I got one mosquito bite. If I get another one going in.
I don't know if I got a bite or not. That dog looks St. Bernard to me.
Yeah, it does.
The kitty stays still. He's just sitting there like on the side of the hill. Wrong way. The horn was that way.
Hey, tomorrow night. Oh, I think it said it was away. Shoot. Sorry, I think there was a football game here, but I think it's away. If they had a game, we'd walk up there. Listen to the band for a little while, you know. Just to have something. I like going to high school football games. Especially Halls because it's so small. And the band's right there in the bleachers with you. But I think it said it was away. Nice junior high. Football Thursday.
Oh.
I don't know if you're here or Friday. Why isn't that cool? You can see the silent plane.
Yeah, we can't get the kitty. Oh, I zoomed in too far.
It almost doesn't look like a plane, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.